So we're going to be making this wonderful noodle recipe, and I'm betting you are gonna love it. I bet you're gonna love it. I bet you're gonna love it. So you need some noodles, you need some chopped carrots, you need some chopped onions, some spring onions, some chopped hot dogs. So we'll start by boiling the noodles. I used 5 of the smallest pack. You'll be boiling this for 45 minutes and you are done. You don't want it overcooked. You just want it soft and nice. Now go ahead and fry the hot dogs. You want it frying for the next 45 minutes. You want it really cooked, and you want those fantastic aroma to come out. Okay, once the hot dog is fried for 45 minutes, you add these chopped onions. The spring onions, the chopped carrots. Now give it some stir. Make sure it's evenly combined before you add the already cooked noodles. Go ahead and add the follow come spices. Give it an even stir. I'm betting you are gonna love this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.